I'm Bree, welcome to my kitchen, and today we're making chocolate chip cookies. I also want to mention before we get started, I have Tourette's, so this cooking show gets a little interesting and sometimes. So I already started preheating the oven. Oh yeah, we moved. We went from Alaska to Florida. So that's pretty fun. Thank you for your input. So we are going to start with the butter slightly melted in the bowl. That's 14 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to add the sugars to the bowl. And then, so that was a cup of white sugar and a half cup of brown sugar. And we're going to beat that till light and fluffy, and I'll be right back when that's done. We're back. I have mixed the butter and the sugar. Oh, this is a mess. I also totally forgot to do the right intro. So we're doing great today. We really are. So I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla and my 2 eggs to the butter sugar. I can't function at all. I'm beating the butter sugar mixture in between to fully incorporate the vanilla extract and the eggs. Close one, huh? Now we add in the eggs. I really have to figure out how to make it so y'all can see me. Not there yet. Hopefully one day. Okay, and now we are adding in half a teaspoon of salt. Leave a teaspoon of baking soda, not the same thing. And all of the flour, which is 2.5 cups of flour. Yeah, this looks weird. I'm gonna make a mess. Great timing. Maybe next time I'll find a better way to do this without making the biggest mess I can possibly make. I really did make a huge mess. You're welcome for this 10 hours of mediocre content. Yes, 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 yes. Woo! Yes. Ooh, it's echoey still. Oh yeah, I picked up a few ticks on the road trip. 2 of which you just heard. Okay. This is, I think, supposed to be done in a hand mixer, or not a hand mixer, like a KitchenAid. But I really didn't want to get that out. We've unpacked it, but I just didn't want to get it out. I don't like that. You didn't need to know that, but now you do. Oh yeah, this is much better. There's a reason why this series is called I Don't Know How to Cook. So the way I'm doing it this time, what am I talking about? The way I'm doing these cookies is some of them will have just chocolate chips in them, and some of them will have marshmallows in them. I'm not sure if that's actually gonna work, or if I'm just gonna have a melted lump of sugar by the end of this. But we're gonna find out. Yeah, I mean, one day I'll actually learn how to cook. Now that we have our cookie dough mixed, we can fold in the chocolate chips which is supposed to be 3 cups, but my mom bought a small bag, so it's like 2 1/4 going into this batch, but like, you people probably know how to cook, so like you'll do it better than I can. Okay, now I'm going to fix up the angle so y'all can get a better look at me dropping the cookies down. Once I get done folding these in. Okay, so welcome back. Ignore my ratchet ass nails. Taking off my jacket really quickly. So, I'm going to do about half of this, and the other half I'm going to put marshmallows in. So, I'm just gonna do it with my hands. Also, I wholeheartedly stand by the fact that cookie dough is the best part of making cookies. So, like, next week, I got something fun planned. Fancy looking, even. And hopefully soon I will put together the vlog that I made of the trip through Canada and the rest of the United States. Haven't gotten there yet. We're still like not even fully unpacked, but I mean, we'll get there. Okay, now is when I add in the marshmallows. So I'm going to move. I shouldn't have done that. I got cookie dough on the bottom of this. I'm just gonna do it with my hands because, well, no. We'll be civilized. This isn't working. Oh, I think I went too far, but these are kind of big. Now let's make it perfectly half. And then these last 4. Oh, now I don't think there's enough marshmallows. Hold on, I'll be back. Everything is gonna be covered in like buttery, greasy handprints, and that's foul. I'm gonna put in more. Hi, I'm a glutton. I hope these turn out at all. I have a feeling that the marshmallows are really just gonna melt. Oh, jeez. Okay, I think they're well incorporated now. Ooh, perfect. Oh. Okay, I think I put too many in this time. Uh-oh. Wish my cookies luck. Wish my dad's air bake pan good luck. Maybe one of these times I'll try to make red velvet cupcakes or something cooler than chocolate chip and sugar ball. Oh man, I'm gonna have to get out the other pan. Urgh. Oh my god. I don't think these are gonna turn out. I think they're just gonna burn to the pan. Oh yeah, I definitely need the other pan. But for like 2 cookies, maybe I'll make just like 1 big one. Oh wait. Oh. Okay. Okay, on this pan, I'll make 1 big cookie. Oh my god. This is bad. This is how I'm gonna get fat, dude. In 2 years, I'll be like still doing this silly YouTube thing, but I'll be like 50 pounds heavier. gonna look back on this and be like, where did all this weight come from? I mean, I don't know. I wanted to like actually cook. Okay, giant cookies, go. Okay, so cookies are out of the oven. We've had a mishap, so I think next time if I want to do the marshmallow thing, they need to go in at a lower temperature because they melted off the side of the pan and dripped on to the pan underneath them and onto the bottom of my oven. Did I mention I really don't know how to cook? So we're waiting for them to cool before I take them off the pan and onto a cooling sheet because they're still kind of liquidy. They're cooked, but they're liquidy. I'm gonna bring you guys over here so you can see just how bad I messed up. Okay, so here's what happened. This is the major plot point over here. These two were a little too close to the edge and they dripped right here onto the big cookie and onto the bottom of the oven. So I'm probably not gonna make cookies this way again. Okay, cookies are done. I murdered the marshmallow ones. They taste really good. I got one good looking cookie. That's it. One. This is the big one. Fell apart. I don't know how to close these videos anymore. There's not other people here, so I don't know what to do. So.
Bye-bye.
Okay, bye.